Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to fake a ollie over the hip. Hopefully you are comfortable rolling around and you are really good with your fakie ollie in the flat, so that's pretty much the key for this trick and to learn how to fakie ollie over the hip. Fakie is riding backwards with the tail facing in the direction of the treble. So the foot position for this trick is just like your ollie position, your dominant foot on the bolts and your front foot in this case, because we are rolling backwards on the tail. You need to approach the hip with just enough speed so you are able to roll over the hip. Next step is when you almost reach the middle of the hip, pop your board and slide your back foot up and level out your board. Spot your landing and make sure you keep your body centered over your board. When you try it the first time, you don't have to pop too hard, just focus on popping your board and slide up your back foot to pull it up and level your board. Look where you're going and spot your landing, try to land on all four wheels and roll away. Don't lean forward because you will stop your fakie ollie straight away and fall, and at the same time don't lean back either because you might slip out. Might be a bit awkward in the beginning because you are rolling backwards, but that feeling will go away with practice and you will be able to pop higher and higher. So make sure you practice your fakie ollies over the hip. You can leave your comments if you need help with your fakie ollie and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.